Here we have a question. What is the smallest possible distance between the point 0, 5 and this line? So in all such questions, the most important part is to draw the figure first. So I am drawing here the xy plane where this is x-axis, y-axis. Point 0, comma 5. 0, comma 5 can be represented x is 0 and y is 5. So let's take this is the point which is 0, comma 5. Now we have another line to be drawn which is y equal to minus x plus 3. The easiest possible way to draw the line is first substitute x equal to 0. If I put x equal to 0, then y is equal to 3, and then substitute y equal to 0. At y equal to 0, x is 3. So we have 2 points, 0, comma 3, x is 0, y is 3. That means a point such as this. And the second point is when x is 3, then y is 0. That means a point somewhat like this, which means the line that the question has talked about will look somewhat like this. Now, the question is asking what is the smallest possible distance from this point to this line. The smallest possible distance is always the perpendicular distance, which means to answer this question, what we have to do is we have to simply drop a perpendicular line such as this. Now, if this is perpendicular, then this will be the shortest distance. Let's call it d. Now, the question is asking the value of d. Now, see, you have several information, you can just assimilate them and answer the question. For example, what I see here is that because this is this distance is 3 units and this distance is 3 units, so basically it's an isosceles right triangle in which the angles will be 45 degrees, 45 degrees, and this angle and this angle, they are vertically opposite angles, so this angle also will be 45 degrees and this angle will also be 45 degrees. Also, we understand that here the y coordinate is 5, which means this distance is 5 units, and here we have this distance 3 unit. That means what we can easily decipher is that this distance is 2 units. Now, if I take this triangle, let's call it A, B, and C. Now, if I look at this triangle ABC, it's an isosceles right triangle with hypotenuse is equal to 2. Now the ratio of the sides in case of an isosceles triangle is given by 1:1:√2. That means we can say that the sides are x, x, x√2, where x√2 is representing the hypotenuse, and this length we already know is equal to the same 2 units, which means the value of x becomes 2 divided by square root 2, that is square root of 2. That means the value of d will be square root of 2, and that is option D. Therefore, D option becomes a correct answer. I hope you enjoyed the explanation. To watch many such videos, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and check the playlist on geometry itself. Thank you so much.